It is for jail time, and so obviously this is not something that Mr. Brown is looking forward to, but he does understand that is most certainly what the court will order. We would just like to ask, if possible, for him to be allowed to turn himself in on Friday, as he has a bit of time to serve in custody and would like to be able to get his affairs in order.
Is there anything you want to say?
I got prom next month. I've been here 17 years. I'll turn myself in after that. I'm not coming here Friday. I ain't missed a beat with my daughter. I've been here the whole 17 years. I can't turn myself in Friday. I don't want to go against your orders. I wish it could be another way. I'm not running from you. I had this thing on when I come to you. I'll turn myself in, but it will not be Friday.
That was literally the worst thing you could have said to Judge Simpson, because he's a compassionate judge. And if you would have had a valid reason for delaying your turn-in date...
That was honestly the worst possible thing to say to Judge Simpson. He's known for being fair and understanding, and if you had a real reason to delay your surrender date, he likely would have listened. But flat out saying you had no intention of following your attorney's plan, that's the fastest way to get yourself locked up and miss important moments like your daughter's prom.
Well, tell you what, you can elect to do it your way, or you can elect to do it my way. That's going to be your choice. You decide you don't want to do an alcohol screening and assessment. You don't want to do anything. You continue to violate on the scram tether. So here's what we're going to do. It's a sentence of the court. I'll just order the $125 statutory fees. I will order 93 days in the... Well, hold on a second. Is that the max on this? Yeah. I'll order 93 days. No, hold on a second. What did he please do? Operating one with that. Okay. I'll order 93 days, Washtenaw County Jail. Credit to defendant to serve the balance. Defendant has told me he doesn't want to report, so we're going to do it this way.
I didn't tell you.
You report. I'm going to order that you don't get to choose your time.
I mean, can we work?
I'm going to order that you report to the Washtenaw County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to report there'll be a bench warrant issued for your arrest. That bench warrant will issue with no bond. So you don't report 6 p.m. today, your choice. I'll send people to get you. It's real easy for me. Thank you.
Fucked around, found out. Next case.
Court calls the case, people versus Isaac Ellington.
Assistant Public Defender Constable Bassey on behalf of Isaac Ellington. Mr. Ellington, could you unmute and state your full name, please?
Isaac Ellington.
Mr. Ellington, did you get a chance to review the PSI that I sent you through your email?
Yes.
Are there any corrections that you want to address?
Yes. A community presence. I've been never doing drugs. I got a friend, high school friend of mine. I've been trying to stop him for him doing drugs. Hold on. Stop him for doing drugs. I've been taking in drugs from him, and in the next couple of days he passed away. I've been clean. I was dropped yesterday. I've been negative. I've been clean. I just lost a good friend of mine of the drugs, and he never woke up, and that's why I got the positive.
So you're saying you didn't do drugs?
No, I didn't do drugs. I didn't do drugs, and I got one positive in April, and another one. I've been.
So you're saying positive for cocaine's, aren't you?
No, that's not. It's me, because I'm taking it from my friend. He passed away now a couple days ago.
You took it from your friend, and then how did it get into your system?
It probably because I touched it.
Come on, Judge Simpson. I only used the cocaine lightly, just enough through my nose.
Oh.
And I'm taking it from.
Oh, so you touched the cocaine, and then you tested positive.
Yes.
Oh.
I was negative.
Okay, is that the story? Is that really the story you're gonna go with?
Yes.
You want to talk to your attorney before you stick with that story?
Yes, for real. I've been honest.
No, but do you want to talk to your attorney before that's the story you're giving me? Because this recommendation will change.
Mr. Ellington, I would advise you to accept what the recommendation is saying and ask the court to adopt that recommendation.
How about this cocaine though? Because he's telling me that he didn't do it.
I would just ask the court to disregard Mr. Ellington's previous statement.
Well, I
Mr.
can't disregard it. That's like unringing a bell. I heard him.
Judge Simpson, I'm honest. I've been coming to court. I've been doing everything.
I know you're honest, but not an amoeba. You don't absorb things that way. So, counsel, you don't normally do this, but you want me to give you a breakout room to talk with him?
Yes, please.
And then we can talk about how the cocaine got there?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Judge Simpson, I'm being honest.
Yeah, that excuse isn't convincing anyone. The idea that it barely touched your system but still showed up on a test doesn't hold up. Judge Simpson isn't buying it either, especially after seeing that you had 2 similar violations just weeks before.
Fire.
Sir,
Mr. Ellington.
Sir, I don't doubt that part. I doubt the other part you just told me. Because, and I'm just gonna lay it out there, you had a positive for methamphetamines on March 23rd. March 28th, you're positive for cocaine. You go away, you do have a negative test in between then, come back April 3rd, you're positive for cocaine again. So, and he didn't go to the CCOP program. So this may change in any event. Sir, I'm just going to ask you, do you want to go into a breakout room and discuss this with your attorney prior to the court proceeding forth with sentencing? Because I'm ready to go, but I don't know that you are.
See, that wasn't so hard. All you had to do was take responsibility and admit you messed up. The problem is, you waited too long and only came clean after already telling multiple bad lies.
Proceed and the amazing Mr. Ellington into a breakout room, and then we can bring them back momentarily. Court recalls the case. People versus Isaac Ellington.
That's fine. Assistant Public Defender Costume Obesi on behalf of Isaac Ellington. Mr. Ellington, could you unmute, please? State your name again.
Isaac Ellington.
Once again, Your Honor, we have reviewed the PSI, and Mr. Ellington does not have any. He would like the court to adopt the recommendation. Mr. Ellington, would you like to go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, so what about the cocaine? I'll wait.
I was just helping my friend out. I did it once or twice, Your Honor.
You did what?
I did it once or twice, Your Honor.
It's surprising how people can have serious responsibilities, like kids and steady jobs that depend on their freedom, and still risk it all by breaking probation rules. Then, instead of fixing it, they make things worse by lying in court.
The cocaine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's a much better story than the first one you gave me. Sentence of the court, 12 months probation, $655 fines and court costs, $360 probation oversight fees. There is to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You know what? No, he's going to continue on his testing. Yeah.
I will be clean. I swear, Honor.
Well, here's what we're gonna do.
No more.
You know, I hear you. So I'm gonna give you a chance to prove yourself to me.
Okay.
Ms. Valera, I want him on testing, random testing in through community corrections for the next 60 days. You're to complete the CCOP program or a comparable program. Now, when you do that testing, I'm just going to let you know, any positives You might as well just prepare for jail time. That's how I'm going to work this. I don't like people not telling me the truth, and you tried to start out not telling me the truth.
Okay, Your Honor.
You're to maintain employment with proof to probation. I'll order 365 days in jail. Credit 2. Sir, defendant will serve an additional 5 days for the bond violations to date, and then the balance will be suspended. You are ordered to report to the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. So I got 360 other reasons why you don't want to use. We clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Report to the jail by 6 p.m. or bench warrant will issue with no bond.
Your Honor. Okay.
What? What do you want to tell me?
I was gonna tell you, can I do it Friday. I can tell my job to hold my job and tell my kids I won't be gone for 5 days.
You know what, Mr. Ellington, I would have been more than happy to do that. But the problem is you came to me lying to me. I don't know right now whether or not, hold on. I don't know whether or not you're telling me the truth right now.
I am telling the truth because I'm at my
So
job.
the problem, problem, Mr. Ellington, is when you start out like that, I can't trust you. I can't trust you that you'll be there Friday. I can't even trust that you're going to be there tonight. But I can tell you, if you're not there tonight, what's going to end up happening, I'm going to send somebody out to get you.
I'm going to be there Friday, I promise.
Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I know many of you enjoy seeing how these courtroom moments play out, especially when Judge Simpson is involved. If you liked it, hit the like button. If not, that's fine too. Just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Team Skeptic, and I'll see you next time.
6 p.m. Thank you.
Your Honor, I would just like to say that Mr. Ellington has expressed to me how concerned he is about keeping his job, and since him keeping his job is part of PSI's recommendation, I mean, if we could just get a day, possibly, or two, and then have him report maybe by 6 p.m. tomorrow before the warrant goes out, just to give him a small cushion to get his job straightened out.
No, not doing it. I told you what I'm doing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He did what he did. Now I'm going to do what I'm going to do. That's just the way it works with me.
I will be there. I'm sorry.
And counsel, you know, if somebody had come to me and said, yeah, I accidentally used, or I shouldn't have used, I did this, then I'll deal with that. But if you come to me just straight up lying, and I'm telling you, I don't believe your story, and you continue to lie, and then I got to put you into a breakout room with your attorney, and now you're going to come back and tell me the truth? Really?
I'm not.
And now you want me to do something for you? Don't think so.
Honor,
I'm done.
I'm not lying.
I'm done.